Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. Whether you're hunting for a deal or collecting rare items, these tips will help keep your purchases safe and secure. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in eBay, this is the perfect opportunity for you to register for a free account. Creating an account here in eBay is very simple. You can choose from personal or a business. You can use any of the following accounts if you wanted. You can use your Google, Apple, and Facebook. And after that, let's say you wanted to buy something this Christmas. Okay, for example, we're going to be choosing a specific product here. And this Start Pokemon Mega Evo. I'm gonna click on it, and then here, now for example, you wanted to buy something about NBA cards and you were looking for a specific item that you wanted to purchase. Now you've noticed that there's this guy that offers a 1991 1992 Fleer Patrick Ewing, and I want you to click on it. This is very important. Before you click the buy now option, always check the seller's ratings and feedback history. There is an arrow here that you can check, so you can look for positive feedback. If that's around like 98%, that's a good sign. Look for any positive feedback or recent reviews. If you see a lot of item not received or wrong item sent complaints, that's basically a red flag. All right, you need to avoid new sellers with little or no feedback, because unless it's a small low risk purchase, that's okay. Now another option that you can look into is want to make sure that you only use the eBay's platform for communication. Okay, because that is a secure way for you to handle the transactions. If you go outside of the eBay's platform, there's going to be a risk of you getting scammed, right? Now, another option that you can look into is to buy through eBay, not outside of it, all right? Never agree to pay outside eBay, like via PayPal, friends and family, direct bank transfer, or messaging apps. When you pay directly through the eBay's checkout, you are protected by eBay money back guarantee, meaning you can get a refund if something goes wrong. All right, another tips that we can share is that verify the listing, check the photo if it's clear. Okay, and then at the bottom you would see that there is a item description at the bottom right here. See that? So you check the return policy, shipping time, and location. If something looks too good to be true, okay, like for example, this one is selling for like $1, it probably is a scam. Okay, and then after that, you can also compare prices. Okay, so you can also check for authenticity, especially for branded items. For high value or branded items, you look for eBay's authenticity guarantee badge. Read the fine print right here. Some categories have free authentication before the seller gets paid. And when it arrives right here, inspect it immediately and compare it with the listing photos that was posted on eBay. If the item is fake or damaged, open a return request right away through eBay. Do not wait for it. Okay? Now, it would be wise if you read and understand the eBay's money back guarantee. All right? So that you can get more information about it. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.